Hello guys, welcome to Sam Travel Diaries. Here we are today with another exciting video. This is the view from my tent right now. It's an amazing place. You can see lake in front of me and bluffs on my right side. I can show you from my window as well. What a nice view. It's a bright sunny day with full of life and energy. So today I'm gonna share with you some tips in your tent with regards to light setup. So I'm gonna use my car jump starter kit. It's actually very helpful and there are many features in this. This is a Schumacher car jump starter. This is jump starter which I'm not gonna use, but I'm gonna use this power bank. It's quite powerful actually. There are many features and ports you can see. One is output USB port, then the fast charger, and one a C as well, and a regular phone charger as well, and built-in LED light, which is quite good actually. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my 8-inch USB LED light with this, and it's pretty amazing. You can hold this up with the hook which we have on top of our tent. It's day here and that's why I'm not gonna put it, but I'm just gonna show you in my video. And let's plug this in. So there is a button right here. I'm gonna press this, and I think we need to press from there. Yes. So as you can see, the white bright light which you can hang in the middle of your tent on the top hook, and which is quite handy. And with this power bank, you may charge your devices, that includes your phones and even your laptops also. You can charge with this, and it's very useful. So enjoy rest of your day, evening, afternoon, whatever and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel, which is Sam Travel Diaries. And again, I'm going to give you view from my tent window, which is quite amazing, and I'm loving it. So until my next video, stay tuned and goodbye.